What's going on, guys? Today we're back for another video, and this is me, X and Jump Process here. Hi guys, so today we're gonna back for another survival let's play video, episode 2 guys. We need to join the world survival play for survival play. Let's go. Whoa, what is water? Why this water? Why this water? Oh my god. Why this water? Oh my god. What happened? Oh, I think I fall inside here.
Why does a lot of you leg down? And that makes me leg so bad.
And now I'm trying to kill all of them because they're so bad. They're being bad. They're being bad. You guys, I'm making a lot of child and then make them big. And then you guys make me leg so bad. And that's you also. You also. You also. You also, mister. No. No! Get away. You guys no need to go into the library. For what you guys go to the library? There's nothing at the library. I just need to mind this and then you guys is gonna disturb me. Because I was thinking about our survival let's play video. What? Our survival play. I'm gonna go mine after this. And I will do it look like Mine Chef. Yep, that's what I'm thinking about. Let's go. So let's go. This is already dropping. This is already dropped. That's already mine. Okay. Oh, there's already some potatoes over here. I need some carrot. Yeah, actually I need some carrot. I need a carrot. Boom, boom. 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 I need a carrot. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go mining! Let's go and do this. I need a shovel, there's shovel. What? I need a shovel, I need a shovel. I did not make a level. Good. And that's good for me. And that's not good for you guys. Just kidding. So let's go mine. I'm just gonna dig all of this. Then I'm gonna mine down. Okay. Let's go mine this. Oh my god. Already have gravel. Not lucky. No. Wow. We already find iron. Good. And coal. And that's what I'm happy about actually. Go a little bit. Oh my god, yes, I need a lot of coal to make a torch. Because I need torch. Torch are good for life. What? I need torch so I can mine all time. All day. I need torches. Because it's going to be dark right now. It is dark already. Do I need all of this iron now? Not yet, I think not yet. It's not yet dark yet. It's just raining. That's why it's dark. Look. This is so hard to mine. And my XP is going up so fast. I can see what I'm doing already. Wait, it's like that. Is it going dark? Actually, it's not going to be dark. Or I need torch. I think I need torch. Torch now. I need torch now. Torch now. One, two, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then. Oh, we don't need any sticks again. But we still have a lot of coal. Oh, we need to put this coal over here. And then I'm gonna put this over here to go get this iron ingot. We will have 90 iron ingot. Okay, that's awesome. I'm gonna put this first. Is that yeah? We already have a lot of food actually. Look at that. The start of Minecraft world. Start my survival world and start to sleep. Yep. Right. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning. I'm going back on, off. Oh yeah, where's the mining place? Oh yeah. I already have some torch. Woo! Now it's dark. And now it's light up. Now I can see properly that this is whatever. But yeah. Mine here. Put this over there. Okay, there you are. Put that over here. That's what I gotta do. Next we have to find probably anything. We can find anything inside Minecraft. Nothing on top of me because I need to be very, very good at this. We have to go down more, guys. We have to go down more. More deeper. Okay. Let's do this. Mine this, mine this. This, mine this, mine this. Mine, 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 mine. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is wrong over here. So sorry about this one. Bum 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 dum bum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum. I just need to see up because I'm just like looking up. I think I just broke things. And I just look up. Okay. But there's nothing on this right. I need to find more ores and my pickaxe gonna broke. Oh no. Huh? Wet! Just gonna place that block over there. No. I'm gonna put that torch. Mine more, mine more, mine more, mine more. I'm gonna do that. And place this back over there. In my. That's one. Oh my god, that scared me a lot. That sound. That sound scared me. Right, yeah. This is so scary. Oh. So fresh air outside. Fresh air. Very, very fresh air. We need to make another pickaxe. What? Oh. Bum ba-dum, bum ba-dum, bum ba-dum. Boom, boom, boom. Drop. Whoa. Oh, I think that was a call, but actually that was a. Put that over there. Put that over there. There's no orange in my ear. But I know it's always found it. I need to go like at the bedroom. Look at that. That's so high. Probably. And we are so deep right now. I think no, not yet. Because we need to until the bedrock. And people already said don't dig straight down. Oh my god, my stone pickaxe is going to break. What? Whoa! We find it, guys! Our first gold, we find it. Yes. Let's go down there. Ouch, that's hurt so bad. Whoa, we light on. I'm gonna break this one. Ooh, yeah, thanks for that. Oh, there's a cave straight in here. That's what I'm talking about. That's up there. We need to make a way to go up there. Oh my god, we need to check what's inside this chest over here. I was thinking about one of them a drip chest. Whoa. Whoa. Thanks for the iron. I already have iron at home. Thanks for that. Oh yes. Iron for someone. Need that bucket. Bucket is more important. We find what we need to have. We finally find it. the water. Oh yeah, we need to mine the torch. The coal over here. Thanks for the XP a lot, XP a lot. We can make anvil, then we can like enchant our things using our books, using anvil, our things. We can enchant our things using our anvil and use our enchanting books that we got now. Right? We are pro now. We need this. We need to go up. Come, let's go up. Whoa, look at that. We already find this way. So now we're only gonna mine inside our cave. Right now we already find a cave. Our survival wall, me and Elsie Creeper will just like mine somewhere else. Oh yeah, actually, mine shaft. We can find a mine shaft. Now we don't need to make a mine shaft anymore. That will be our mine shaft. And then now it's going to be done. Perfect in time. It's going to be straight in bed. And now make some torch and go mine to what? Again. Okay, so look. Already done. Oh, now how much? Whoa, that's a lot. This is our start. It's already episode 2, but now it's already like, oh my god, it's already awesome. Oh no, our chest is gonna be full. I'm gonna make another chest. And that's what I'm gonna do now. Gonna do like that. Well, better we change our place, right? Yep, I was thinking about to do that. Now let's broke that. Give me all the things. No, give me that. Give me that. Where's the chest? Where's the chest? The chest. Wait, what? The chest is over there. I think yeah. The chest. See properly right now. The chest is not inside my bed. We have to find the chest right now. I don't want the feather. I know that this pickaxe in mine is going to break. No, not this one. I don't want this one. I don't want an apple now. I don't want a pickaxe. I need mine. My chest. Need my chest. It's out over there. Yep, there you are. Come on, let's go. You will be. Make another chest and we're done. 3 more. No. To put all the blocks inside this chest over here. This is where all the blocks will be. Yep, this is where all the blocks will be. All the blocksy blocks. This is where all the blocks gonna be, okay guys? Please remind me about this. This block is right here. And then this is all the things that we need also. These are all the things that we need. This is all the things that we need. We need all of this. We need all of this. We need all of this. We're gonna go mine after this. But we need more torch. Oh yeah, but actually, why did I put the stick inside here? We need what? We need stick. We need stick again. More. We're just gonna finish our okay, we only have one stick left. No. So let's go mining now. Let's go. We already have our torch on. Let's go mining. Why? Why does always happen? Let's make another pickaxe over there. Gonna put that stick there first. I'll need this and this. Wait a minute. To mine this away. Here's my broken pickaxe. What? That. But we will find this already. And this chest. That's good. So we can put things inside the chest. So really... Oh, there's another. You guys were hiding from me, right? Your friend is over here, been mine, and then now you guys are up here, hiding from Mr. John. Don't hide from me. No, you guys, they're fine again. But I can see them. I can see them. Wow, we already have 7. I really need to mine this. Okay, so let's go. Oh yeah, this one we're not gonna mine up there. Are we? No. We gonna go to the water place where we were talking about. Over here. Why there's still water over here? Probably. Why? Oh my god. Wait, what? Let's go over there. Now we have a lot of coal. I don't know why we have a lot. This is awesome. We find a lot of coal. This is our lucky day. Oh my god, what's that? We're at the other side now. And that's congrats. Whoa. This is so dark. Now I'm so scared. Like I'm right inside the mine. No, this scared me again. There's like something just come out of nowhere. Like, okay, now I know where's the way. The way is over here to get to your side. I don't use water. Or you can use water to have fun. To have some fun. Whoa. We're going up. Going up. Going up. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, this is awesome. Whoa, it's a circle dead end. And now we find this, yay! Now we find some coal over here. And there's another congrats for us, actually. Probably. Congrats. Oh, no, I already tell you if you mine that, there's a trap. Whoa. Whoa, this is so awesome. Oh no. We need to dig again. We need to get the coal actually. Over here just now. I don't know where it is. How much is the coal? The coal is just like right over here again. I need to get it. I need to get it. I need to get my coal. I need to get my coal. My coal is over here. And now you're just trying. Okay, there's no top. So that's what only we have. Oh, there's another coal up here. I did not know that. There's a coal over there. Let's go mine this coal! Yay! Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nothing anymore. It's okay. Let's go down, 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 down. Okay, this is the dead end, so let's go down again. This is where we fall down. But Beth, please don't jump scare me. Please. Please don't, please. Let's go that side. Huh. Let's get this. Put the torch back because I don't want to waste my torch. This is not the way I'm gonna mine. I'm gonna mine where I'm supposed to mine. That's not here. That means that I'm gonna mine over here. Not over here. Okay. So this is where we're just gonna stay over here. No anything. Okay, this is where the way that we're gonna lock. That place, so I need to go back. I need to go back to my place. That is where I'm gonna mine. But I think it's night already outside. So I need to go up and going to sleep. So let's go. This is so awesome. Let's go. Yay! Oh yep, it's already night, I didn't tell you guys. I'm actually ready guys to get my 1 gold. You know what is our 1 gold? Gold what? Oh yeah, I need like whoa! We already have a lot of things ready. That's so awesome. And that's what people say. Awesome! 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 Need to put horse inside. Dun. Bum 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 bum. We already have some iron. That's so awesome. I need this, and I need to make a chest. That's a chest. I need to find a chest. I need to make a chest because I want to make a double chest on this side. Yep, a double chest at this side over here. Then okay, so we know that. Oh my god, I want to full already. No, this one. Not yet gonna full, but this one gonna full in a minute. So I'm ready for this one. So I'm ready, guys. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm gonna do after this. I probably don't know what I'm gonna do after this. Oh my god. But I need to get some wheat or some potatoes. Yeah, potatoes. Let's go get the potatoes. And there's no villages anymore over here. And that's what I'm happy about. No villages anymore. Yeah, this tree already grown. I'm gonna get that tree. I'm gonna get that tree. That tree will be mine. Forever. Forever. Okay, there's already potatoes over here. Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Potatoes, potatoes. I need the potatoes. Where's the potatoes? There's a villager. I need him. He is only our hope. What's this? Whoa! We got a poisonous. Wow. That's awesome. And that's make me awesome. And that's make me. Well, better we bake our potato before it's too late. Before it's too late to say sorry. Yeah. This poison. Poison potato. Hey, do you guys want poison potatoes? Actually, do you guys want some? Want some? Want some? Ah, horsey. That horse looks so awesome. How do he look? How do I look? And I just say, I love some. Oh my god. Whoa, they have 64. And there's 64. And we can make potatoes. Yay, potatoes. What? It's already 20 inside our chest. We don't need to make an iron chest because we already have. There's a cow over there. I'm trying to get that cow. I need my sword. Whoa. Yeah. I don't know. And then I will punch the this thing. What's your name, Mr. Cow? My name is Mr. Cow. Duh. Mr. Cow, and there you are. Bye. Hi, Mr. Cow. Hello. And he's just gonna say, hello. How are you today? And then I just like funny. And then he says 7038. And then I say bye bye. Then he fall down inside the pool. Ah. Stay on this island. Let's go up. I was thinking about that chicken will explode. This chicken boom, and this another chicken gonna be boom, boom. Yay! BOOM boom, 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 boom. Later we just gonna go to sleep. Just kidding, it's not at night. Wow, I like how the well look like. Are we gonna mine straight down there? Do not mine straight down. What? Do not mine straight down. Okay. I want to mine straight down. This is where we're gonna mine. This is where we mine. I want to show you guys how deep it is. Oh my god. I just want to show you guys how deep it is. And oh my god. Let's go back inside our house. Inside our home. I was thinking about to make a block over there. Because that's going to be our table. Our table 25. Our table 25. How much leather we got? Oh, 7. Actually, what we can make with this? Well, we can already make a leather horse, but we already have iron. I already have iron. I don't need that anymore. I just wanna have some fun, cause I don't care. And now I understand how are you today? Why you are so sad? I don't know why. Oh, what empty map? Wait, what? There's another map. Wait, what? There's a map that you need a compass. Oh, I wanna get that compass map. That have compass at the middle. I don't know what map is that, but I need that map. We need to make a compass. And we need redstone. So we need to have some redstone for next week's video. I think this is gonna be the end of the video. Now I can make double bed. Double bed. That sheep just coming to me. I saw a sheep over here. Do not hide from me. I need one more shot. And he died. Yes. There 4 hit. And then you killed a sheep. That's awesome. Let's go inside our little village house. What is this gonna be our village house? The same house. We can be over here. Over here. Gonna make more. 1, 2, 3. That's boop. I was thinking about to make another. It's over here. Another furnace over here. We need a furnace. We need a furnace. We need a furnace. A furnace. We need a furnace. Oh, there's only 60 left. All of this potato. We have the poison potato. We need to try that. Poison potato. Can we bake like a okay. I really need to eat this poisonous potato. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. So you guys like this video and don't forget to hit a big thumbs up. So see you guys next week. Bye.